If you love it, please show some love to the pyro team right here from Glorious. If you didn't know, Ronnie, I know you are still settling some stuff, but Ronnie, could you come up to the front here, bro? Come quick. Faster lah. Irritating boy. The pyro team, guys, if you don't know, I've been working with them for so many years. These guys are truly the best the industry has to offer. This morning they came in early, but because of the shower they couldn't get things done. But by the time 11:30 came about, they decided to just heck care the rain, walked out there, got themselves soaking wet, just to set up what you see here, or what you just witnessed here for the pyro show. So if you love that ushering and a great round of fireworks to welcome 2022, I want you to show some love right now to my homeboys out there from Glorious, Ronnie and his gang. Come on, a big hand for these guys. Did you like the fireworks? Did you like it? Then can we have a bigger round of applause, Roy? More acts coming up, but for those of you live here in the audience, there is a lucky draw. Don't forget, we have 5 prizes to give away. Oakley sunglasses.